In today's video, let me show you how to fix the Facebook cannot switch account error. Welcome back to this new video, everyone. So if you're having issues switching your account within Facebook, let me show you a few steps that you can try out. The first thing that you can immediately do is close out the Facebook app from the recent app list and then try to clear out the app cache as well. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then just tap on the clear cache or clear data option that you might be able to see. So once you do these first steps, try to see if you can now switch your account. If you're still having issues with it, then what you can try out is try to uninstall Facebook from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version of Facebook and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue will also be fixed. Now lastly, if none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you can do is try using a web browser. You can use your mobile device as well, or even better, use a desktop or your laptop. Head over to facebook.com and try to see if you can switch profiles using the web version. If you're having issues with the web version as well, this simply is a Facebook side issue. So in this situation, you just need to wait out a couple of hours before the issue is automatically fixed. So these are the few things that you can try out. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.